the do's and don'ts of case taking. First, let's talk about the do's of case taking. First, the symptoms should be written from different sources, ways from the patient himself and the attendance report, and finally the physician's own observation. Secondly, the exact expression used by the patient and his friends should be written down accurately. Third, the physician should advise the patient to speak slowly so that the physician can get time to note down what the patient mentions. Fourth, physician should record the important points of what the patient speaks. Fifth, every new symptom should be begun from fresh line. तो हमें हर नया सिम्टम एक नई लाइन से शुरू करना है. Sixth, remind the patient in general terms if he omits to say anything about several parts and functions of his body. अगर हमें कोई पार्ट के बारे में और जानकारी चाहिए तो हमें पेशेंट से पूछना चाहिए. Seventh है, special question should only be asked when the PQRS symptoms or the characteristic symptoms of the case has not yet come out. Finally, the physician should note down his observations about the patient. Now, the don'ts of case taking. Firstly, don't interrupt unless the narrator wander off to some other matters. Second, don't ask any direct question that can be answered by yes or no. तो हमें ऐसे क्वेश्चंस नहीं पूछने हैं जिन्हें हम सजेस्टिव क्वेश्चन बोल सकते हैं या लीडिंग क्वेश्चंस बोल सकते हैं कि जिनसे पेशेंट को जवाब मैनिपुलेट करके हमें बता सके, या पेशेंट को येस और नो क्वेश्चन नहीं पूछने हैं जिससे कि हमारी केस टेकिंग अधूरी रहेगी. डोंट आस्क एनी लीडिंग क्वेश्चन दैट इटसेल्फ सजेस्ट्स एन आंसर. So these were the do's and don'ts of case taking. Thank you.